What is up, Chase That Coin family? Today I want to talk to you about Substratum, BTC breaking all-time highs, but we should be expecting some slight pullback. Hodling your altcoins if you've already taken a hit. I want to talk about what I plan to possibly do with Bitcoin Gold, and I also want to talk about Tezos' recent situations, my feelings as a participant in the ICO, and just look at a couple of different charts. All right, so we're going to start off with Bitcoin USD. I'm on Coinbase on the daily time frame. All right, you guys know that I like to start off on a higher time frame and work my way down to get the overall sense of the movement in the market. All right. So right now we're really extended. All right. We are extended away from the upward trend line. We're extended from any kind of support. Arguably, I could drop a support line here, which I am going to do right now. All right. And I'm going to change that color. Okay. So arguably, I could drop a support line up in there. I'm going to change that color once again. All right, so arguably I could drop a support line up here. But what I'm expecting and looking for from BTC is a push up, a maybe a consolidation of the BTC price until the Bitcoin Gold fork. People who aren't aware that the push up in BTC price isn't due to Bitcoin Gold will sell off. All right, creating a downward move. All right, we drew this up the other day. So this red line is what I'm expecting from Bitcoin. Definitely, probably not this low. I'm not going to say definitely, but probably not this low. But I am definitely expecting it to move sideways and then pull back into either support at 55.67 or somewhere back into the upward trend line. But it's an interesting area right here because the upward trending line and the support meet. So it'd be very interesting to see if Bitcoin pulls back into this area. All right, so let's quickly look at a couple other trades that I called. Let's look at Litecoin BTC on Bittrex. All right, and Litecoin BTC on Bittrex. I'm not going to say that it's not looking good because this is definitely still a very strong level of support for Litecoin. Um, but the more it tests this level, um, the more likelihood it is for it to possibly temporarily break it. Now, if it tests this level continuously with doji type candles, then I would become bullish on it. But if it continuously tests this level in an up and down motion without dojis, I would say that it's getting ready to break this level. We did get into Litecoin here and push it up. So we did catch about 15% off a Litecoin. So I got out of that. And then I jumped into Stratus. So let's check Strat. And we're looking at Stratus BTC. So Stratus BTC, let's take away the volume. All right, Stratus BTC kind of did the same thing that that Litecoin did. But the reason that I'm a little bit more bullish on Stratus is because little do people know Stratus is developing a few things that are going to work alongside Bitcoin. All right, through Tumblebit and just a few other different things that are going to work with Bitcoin. All right, so I am very bullish Stratus, especially at a low level like this. So we are in a Stratus trade. I keep saying we because I'm including you guys, but myself, I am in a Stratus trade, and those of you who are bullish on Stratus are with me as well. So now since we covered that, let's jump into something that is a hot topic right now, which is Substratum. Now, you guys know how I classify most ICOs. They're either too ambitious, they are too stupid, well, the idea is too ambitious. Let me clear that up. The idea is too ambitious. The idea is too stupid, or the idea is good, but they may run out of funding. All right. So the substratum idea, I'm going to say that I'm going to classify it as too ambitious. Um, or I'm going to either give it too ambitious, or it may be it sounds like a good idea, but they may definitely run out of funding before um, they complete their goal. And the reason that is because a lot of these companies, a lot of these blockchain teams, they don't have a business model as far as how they're going to pay themselves. So for idea, I'm going to go with too ambitious. For as far as possibility to make money, I'm going to say that there is definitely possibility to make money because there is a very low market cap, and there are a lot of people talking about Substratum. I do not have a position in Substratum. And I may get a position, who knows, but I do not have a position. And there is upside um, because of the people who are talking about it. Um, so yeah, that's how I feel about Substratum. Now let's quickly talk about Tezos. Matter of fact, before we talk about Tezos, let's just run down all of the altcoins. All right, and yes, this is USD value, and I do not care about USD value, but most of the alts are doing even worse Bitcoin value. All right, so the only thing that I can say is if you have taken a big hit already, the best thing for you to do is hold your coins. Um, it doesn't make any sense taking a 60% loss here or 50 or whatever. So hold the line, hodl those coins. Uh, yes, Tezos. So for those of you who aren't aware of Tezos, Tezos is a new type of blockchain that is launching that is modular at the protocol layer. So you can basically Tezos would be like a Rubik's cube, being able to adopt um, new technologies and change itself, making it somewhat future proof. But there's some fighting within the group. I don't want to get too far into the details of it. Um, but JSnip4, Cliff High, and these guys are talking about this may be Cliff High's quote unquote mystery coin. Now, whether I believe in that or not is doesn't matter, is irrelevant. The fact that they are talking about it, saying that this is the coin that Cliff High was predicting, because basically he was predicting a coin that is going to have some infighting within the team, and the coin is going to probably drop in value, and then it's going to skyrocket. All right. So just the fact that he feels like this may be that coin that he's predicting, and the size of his following, um, is a very bullish sign. I was already bullish, very bullish Tezos before that, and now I am, if because the project is still possibly in jeopardy, and I personally don't think it's in that much in jeopardy. But if they do launch, I am extremely bullish Tezos. So yeah, guys. Oh yeah, and Bitcoin Gold. My plans for Bitcoin Gold. See, I almost forgot about it, and the reason I almost forgot about Bitcoin Gold is because even the exchanges, it's very close to the fork of Bitcoin Gold, and the exchanges aren't even talking about supporting it. Um, this is going to play a major part in the price or in the community and all of that of Bitcoin Gold, and I don't think that the exchanges will acknowledge it, especially for the fact that they're already talking about what they may do with Bitcoin 2x, and they aren't talking about Bitcoin Gold. So that is not a bullet sign for Bitcoin Gold. All right. What I may do, I may just not even acknowledge it for a while until I see what big players are talking about it or talking about using it or adopting it or even acknowledging it. And then if I see some big players doing that, then I may try to access it. Other than that, I'm going to ignore it, and I'm going to position myself for the 2x fork because Coinbase is going to acknowledge it, and that is in itself is big. So I don't want to make this one too long. Um, Hit that subscribe button if you like this information. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when I'd make these videos or do my live streams. Um, yeah, and keep keep chasing that coin, ladies and gentlemen.